Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss that how we can export the trial balance from Tally for various purposes. Let's understand the purpose of pulling the trial balance from the Tally. We need the trial balance for various reasons, for various internal and external reporting purposes. We also use the trial balance to identify the errors which may have happened, because trial balance helps us to identify the balances at the ledger level and we can make some sense out of it. Similarly, even if the trial balance is matching, that doesn't mean that there is no error. So when you review the trial balance, you come to know that there are certain errors, certain accounts which are supposed to be talking to each other are not matching or are not making sense. So that's why it is very important that almost every month we have to pull the trial balance to understand the ledgers, that how they are showing. Before we start this process, let's understand that what all do we need to have with us before we start this. First of all, make sure that you have the licensed Tally system installed in your system. You have to open the latest Tally version with you, and also most importantly, you should have the path of the Tally data of the company of which you want to use. First step is to open the Tally data. You go to the select company, and then there we have to enter the path of the data which we want to open. So first of all, press F3 and select the company. You should copy the data path of the company and copy paste it using the commands Alt D, Alt C and Control V. Now once the company is open, in the display menu on the right side there is an option for trial balance. Click on that and you will be able to see the trial balance. Now this trial balance is grouped at various levels. Once you ungroup all the ledgers, press F12, which will show you the configuration of how you want to view the data. Click on show opening balance as yes. Also click yes for show transactions. Also click yes for show closing balance. Don't say yes to percentages unless you need it. Type of grouping should be group wise. Format of the report should be detailed. Display name for the ledger and group should be name only. Show base currency should be yes. Sorted method default. Enable strip view no. After making all these selections, you can see the trial is grouped at the ledgers grouping level. You have to open all the groupings before you proceed. You have to use a particular command which is shift plus enter for all the groupings. Once you open all the groups, you will have the details of all the ledgers in the trial. After making the correct selection for the financial year, you have to export the data. For that, use the command Ctrl plus E. It will pop up an option to download and export the information. There you can select the appropriate options and the path where you want to save the file. The file you must rename before you save it, and then make sure that the totals which are coming in the Excel file or the PDF file which you have used for downloading are matching with the totals in the trial balance in the Tally itself, to make sure that all the data which you have extracted is complete in all aspects.